how to edit a video like this, how to make yourself appear in 2 or even more, as like how to clone yourself. This video is actually very easy to edit. Now, videos like this help you go viral, and video like this help your page visibility. Are you a content creator and you want to learn editing skills or how to edit videos like this? I would advise you actually visit my page to actually learn a lot of editing skills that can help you. So you share this video while I teach you this and let other benefit, right? Let's go. So you go ahead and open your CapCut, either iPhone or Android phone. So when you open it, you're going to click on this new video. Okay. Now, here is one thing you need to know. You have to record the video on a straight, meaning you don't need to record yourself moving the other side and then record yourself moving the other side. You have to record it at once, then bring in the video. Click on add. Okay. So when you click on add, it's going to come to the interface like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to manually move. You're going to manually move to where you move to the other side. You know, you are at the right side. So when you're going to move to when you are moving or about to move to the left side. Okay, so you split. You can see this is where I'm about to move to the left side. So you click on split, you activate and then split. Then when you get to the left, then you also split. Now, people must not see when you move to the left, so you delete the middle clip. That's why we splitted, okay? So you activate the front clip of you being at the left, then you step it down by using this overlay that look like times. It allows you to step down. If not, you'll not be able to drag. So after you have stepped it down, then you drag it under the right one. So now you can see you have dragged the left under the left. You have dragged the left under the right, okay? So after you've done that, you look for mask, okay? So when you click on this mask, you're going to click on the horizontal. This horizontal allow you to divide it. So you see, it allows you to divide it, which allow the right to appear and the left to appear. You can see now. So now you have your cloning video. Remember, step 1 is that you record yourself. You record yourself on a single stretch, talking at the right side. Then again, after you are done talking at the right side, then you move to the left side and also play the character or say what you want to say. Then after you have recorded them like that, bring it into CapCut. So when you bring it into CapCut, the next thing you're going to do is you manually move to where you were about to move. You know you were standing at the right before, right? You manually move to where you were about to move to the left, then you split it. Then when you now get to that left, you split again, because people must not see when you are moving. Okay, so you now delete that middle one. Okay, so then you click on overlay to step it down, which is the left. Then when you bring it, then you use mask to divide it. So this is how you clone yourself. So share this video and let other benefit. Right, thank you.